Welcome to Finviz. How to export data from Finviz. To do so, you'll need an Elite subscription. There are a number of ways to export data. Start by going to the screener. You can create a new screen or load one of your saved screens. Once your filters are set and you see your results, scroll down to the bottom right of the page and click Export. This will download a CSV file which you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or similar software. Do you want to select only specific columns or metrics to export? Click on Custom in the screener. Then go to Settings in the top right corner of the screener and select exactly which columns and statistics you want to include. When you're happy with your selection, just click Export again at the bottom and your file will now be customized to you. There is so much you can do with exporting Finviz data. You can analyze it further, create charts and dashboards, present your findings, or build a trading system. Finviz gives you institutional grade data at an incredible value. Thank you for using Finviz.